was sent this set of 2 blades for a Toro lawnmower and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here goes. These are going to work on your 22-inch models. So this is a variety of the Toro recycler machines, and there's even a couple lawn boys that these work on. You're going to want to just make sure that 2 things are a direct match with what you've got on your machine today. The length of the blades, these come in at about, let's see, at the longest here, about 21 3/4. And then on the width, they're about 2 1/4. And then this hole in the center, you're going to make sure that you've got that same size hole in the center of yours. This is just about a 1/2 inch, and it's got a 3-hole pattern for that. So you're going to make sure that your Toro matches up with that. If it's got 22-inch cut, then this is the blade for you. You're going to want to make sure that you put it the proper way on the machine. So this cutting edge here needs to be facing down like that, so as it cuts, it can hit the blades properly. Otherwise, you're just kind of beating the grass into submission. It's not going to work. And it's also got these cuts and curves here on the edges. This helps with the airflow. It does some magic so that way the airflow is optimized so that it lifts the grass up while it's cutting. So that grass is constantly being lifted up and it's not being pushed down. The airflow is coming up. And then it's also got quite a bit of curve to it. If you look at it from left to right, it's like a wing, and it's got a whole different angle throughout. That these aren't just flat. They're definitely doing a lot with airflow. So they've studied these and they've got this design down so it gives you the optimal lift that you need to make the right cuts. So hey, I hope this was helpful to learn a little bit more about these blades. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.